Welcome to the 23rd Renewal and Remembrance. Welcome to these hallowed grounds of Arlington National Cemetery. I know that many of you have come from all over the United States to come and connect with the history and all that is part of Arlington National Cemetery. The rich history of this property, of those service members and veterans who are interred here, many of whom made the ultimate sacrifice, and the significance of what our veterans represent to our nation, make our mission here at Arlington National Cemetery unique to our nation and to the American public.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Today, while you work here, you have an opportunity to connect to the rich history of this cemetery.
Everybody say, yes, we love it. Yes, we love it. Look at me, guys. 1, 2, and go to work. Hurry up.